morning. I have returned bright and early in the morning. Don't judge. Don't judge. I talk to you about clean swapping. Now, you've seen my other video, right? You've seen it? If not, go watch it. On clean swapping on a budget, where I talk about budgeting things out for over a period of a year to be able to clean swap and not break the bank. However, since then, the tax man done paid an early visit. So I decided to use my money wisely. And I did put a generous amount towards bills, but I also did a few hauls, which I will go in detail about in other videos as well. But today I want to talk about my Target haul, which is actually what completed my clean swap when it comes to cleaning supplies. So I want to share with you what I got and how much I invested, and how I did it. So, here we go. Alright, let's start with detergent. I said before I was going to do the Target deal. I missed it. But I still bought the 7th generation. And they have different ones. They have different scents. They have different, there's a lot of different stuff. But I bought 2 bags of these. This has 42 packs. So I bought 84 loads worth, because I usually do 1 load a week, minus, you know, like sheets and stuff will be an extra couple loads, but this will get me through a year, because that's 52 weeks in a year if I wash every single week for 1 load. So 52, so I would just say about a year. That's including the extra loads that I might do. Perfection. So I should know that at the beginning of the year 2020, I should be doing my next round, buying a couple of these, give or take any incidentals. So I was excited to see that. So I knew Target had that already. So I was like, okay. So I'm online, I'm in class, and I broke a budget down. So this is how much I want to invest to food, household, and miscellaneous. So I was price comparing between Costco and Target and Amazon. So 7th generation has some mighty good things, I would have to say. Now, I plan to go to Costco to get toilet paper. How the ever. Oh, and also Target had a sale on toilet paper where you buy 3, you get a gift card. But 7th generation makes toilet paper. So I went ahead and got that. But while I'm scrolling for the toilet paper, because it happened to be like $1 cheaper at Target than it was at Costco, I also found, put my coffee down. I also found paper towel. Now, I happen to be on my next to last roll, so I got paper towel, 7th generation. Now, I don't know if it's like really beneficial to buy this, but their paper towels are 100% recycled paper towels. No added dyes, inks, or fragrances, and it's 2-ply. So, you know, why not? They have like their packaging has like a little neat fact. So here's a fact they said. If every household in the U.S. replaced 1 8-pack of 156 sheet virgin fiber paper towels with this product, we could help save over 4,300,000 trees. I mean, it's the same price as others. So I'm not saying like, oh, you have to go buy this brand because it's like better. It's just, I was like, oh, hey, this brand has cleaner products, and why not? It's the same price. I'm getting the same amount of paper towel. And then, of course, like I was talking about, I got the toilet paper. You get 24 double rolls for $19. So I didn't do any calculations, but that's still pretty decent, you know. And they have some of the same, like, cute little things on the back and how many trees you can save. So that was great. So let's move into the cleaning products, because, you know, I am a Comet Ajax dollar store girl who used a little bit of Windex and some Lysol. Oh, and I have scrubbing bubbles all throughout my bathroom. So I just kind of was just clicking away at what I saw. Also, with this brand 7th generation, I was kind of excited to see they have, like, for the women, like panty liners and tampons. So I'm interested to look further into that to see what they omit from their products when it comes to safer use of tampons. That is something that I would like to advocate for. So yeah, it's something that in the future maybe I'll, do a video on or indulging, because I think, that's something that I really, you're putting stuff in your body. Like I always talk about putting stuff in your body that's good for you and exposing yourself to healthier things. So I would be interested in really seeing what their product offers. Okay, my head wrap's slipping off. So to the cleaning. We will start with, this is a disinfecting bathroom cleaner. Before I just used Lysol's disinfecting spray. This is a lemongrass scent. I honestly have not used it to its full ability yet. I think I used like a little bit to get a tough stain off. And it worked off my sink. So that's that. I kind of cheat. And when I first got this stuff, I did like a quick clean. So I use these wipes. But these are the disinfecting wipes. And it is in a lemongrass citrus scent. I don't care for the scent, but I can tolerate it. They do have another set of wipes that are in a mint scent, but they're not labeled disinfecting. So I was kind of like, I'm more 2 for 1. I'm not going to buy regular wipes that if they have disinfecting ones. But they work great. They work very well, comparable to like Clorox or Lysol wipes that I also use faithfully for a while. These worked really well. Now I have the Toilet Bowl Natural Cleaner. I was skeptical about this because I'm a Comment girl and a Lysol girl. And I was like, how will this work? This cleaned my toilet better than any other product I have thus used. So I was pleasantly surprised at how well this product cleans. So yeah, powerful clean. It's not overly scented. It has no chlorine bleach, no synthetic fragrance, no dyes. It's in an emerald, cypress, and fir scent, but it's not very strong. So I was kind of like, it's cool. Oh, this company's based in Vermont. But yeah, and it's nice they list like all of their active ingredients too, so you can kind of go through like, they list like what something is, and it's like it's a plant-derived pH adjuster or a plant-derived cleaning agent. So it's not like you're looking at these big words and you're like, oh, what is that? But it explains to you what it is, so you kind of know what it's replacing from other things. It's gluten-free, phosphate-free. They use good oils, lime oil, cypress oil. Xanthan gum, you can cook with that, so if you can ingest it, I'm sure it's good to go in the product. So yeah, I highly advise getting the toilet bowl cleaner. Then I have another tile and tub natural cleaner. I used it a little bit. I didn't really I just, spray, rinse the shower because I was using the shower. So it was kind of like, oh, I got new products. Let's use it real quick. But I haven't deep clean. So easy clean is great. Deep clean, I don't know. But it's the same kind of label. And it's in the emerald and cypress fir. So it matches the toilet bowl scent. So that is that. Another brand that is known for being clean is the Method brand that Target also carries. I got a mint scented glass and surface cleaner. I haven't had proper Windex like a year and a half. See, I ordered Windex one time from the pickup from Target, and homegirl, she ain't put it in my bag, but whatever. So I haven't bought it since. So I ain't really been hitting these mirrors up they haven't been glistening like they could be. But so I finally picked up some Method, and it works really well. And the smell is not strong, so I don't remember really identifying the scent. So I also got a heavy duty degreaser from Method for my kitchen. I before used like a scrubbing bubbles like kitchen cleaner, but I honestly just used the wipes on my stove. Like every time I cook, I just use a disinfecting wipe. on my stove or my countertop. And then if like I use something with high oil or something that splatters, I'd use this. This works pretty well. I actually cleaned my convection oven out that I haven't cleaned in a while. I'm a little bit neglectful with that type of thing. So while it did not remove every tough built up grease bubble, because I bake fry my chicken, it definitely works. Like a lot of the easier surface areas in my convection oven did come clean. You know, there's some of the stuff you can't get off. It's just not gonna happen. You done baked it in. But this was great. I recommend. I also got some 7th generation bleach. I am horrible at using bleach. This is a chlorine-free bleach. I've used bleach in the past and felt like I was gonna pass out when cleaning the bathroom. I never get the water to bleach ratio right. My house always smells like a hazmat center. So I was scrolling and just saw the bleach. I'm like, I'll just get it because I need bleach for some things, but bleach is harsh. Like chlorine is harsh. So to find a chlorine-free bleach, I have not tried it yet, but I'm actually excited to try it to see how powerful it is and how it works because, you know, like, why not? You need it, but you don't need to have the heavy stuff that can knock you out and get you high. So, boom. So, with that, I also did another haul of Starbucks coffee Keurig pods. They had a deal when you buy 3 boxes, so that's 16 per box pods, and the price went from like $13 to $10 for 3. So you get 16 pods for $30. Wonderful. So that's like a decent cup of coffee price. You know, cheaper than going to Dunkin' or Starbucks themselves. So the thing is too, you can, with Starbucks rewards, you can take your receipt and send it in somehow. I haven't done it yet. Send it in somehow and get reward points for the purchases that you make of Starbucks products at the store. They used to like put it on the box, but now you can do it online. But anyway, this is how I look at it. I used to go to Starbucks all the time, but now I just get like straight up blonde rose coffee, and I'm like, I just want blonde rose pods, so I can make my own blonde rose at home for cheaper. And then as I rack up reward points from purchasing it, I also have their prepaid debit card. So it's part of Chase Bank, but I linked that I have a Chase account, but I was able to apply for their prepaid debit card, put it on my account. So then I use that Visa debit card to like buy miscellaneous things and pay bills. So for every $10 you get a point. Well, I average, you know, a few $100s a month just paying bills alone and any extra purchases like groceries on that card. Then I get those points. So once my points get to the 125 for a free drink, then I'll treat myself to my favorite drinks. That's what I'm doing. That way I'm not in Starbucks every day spending a whole bunch of money that I don't have. And then I can get like a reward when I'm doing well on my keto, which I'm not. But if I was, that'll be a reward for myself that I can get. So it's like 2 for 1. That's what I'm doing with that. Save some money. But I was able to stock up on about a month's worth minimum of coffee. It's a little bit, yeah, it's about a month. Because I've been having more than 1 cup, so. Because it's been rough. Another thing that I just picked up, I don't know if it was like worth picking up, but I did. I needed cleaning sponges. I always buy Scotch Brite cleaning sponges, but they have these, like the regular, like scrub sponges. Goodness, I'm so asleep. It's early. But I was running low, so I went to pick some up, but I just kind of, instead of getting my typical ones, I decided just to get, they had a green or clean one, and I don't know if it's any better, but, you know, the fibers are made for 50% agave plant, and it has recycled materials and plant-based fibers. So, if I'm already clean sweeping, swapping, why not invest in just a better sponge? So I did. And they work like the other sponge. I mean, the scrub part's slightly softer, but not much softer. Yeah, I think it's great. So I just wanted to update you on my clean swap. I will get back to you about my Costco run, kind of give you an update on that as well. But I will say I spent roughly $150 on my clean swap, which is actually pretty good for including coffee and like a year's worth of detergent. And you know, it's just me, so it's like having toilet paper and stuff, it's gonna last me a while. Like I can make the toilet paper towel last like a year because I have before. So thank you for watching. If you have more questions on clean swapping, check out the EWG Healthy Living app. I think I rambled a lot, but I just wanted to share with you my major clean swap, because in case you were interested in doing the actual like major clean swap and not doing it on a budget, I just gave you both options. I love options. Options are great. Wonderful. You know, I just need to let me go finish this coffee. I got 3 exams today. I've been fighting a 3-day battle with my professor. You know what? Let's do a story time too. I'll be back.